Uxolo lusasazo ngqo lweendaba eStudio 9 kukomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eRhawutini naze ziphambili.
I had hoped, for instance, to attend the inauguration in Ghana, but the ANC celebration activities here kept me away.
Mongameli we-ANC uMnumzana Cyril Ramaphosa utshayelele imibhiyozo ye-ANC ngokuzimasa iphulo lokunyusa ingxowa ye-ANC ngokudlala igalufa. Izihlobo nezalamane zihloniphe umphathiswa wezemfundo wokuqala phantsi kwedemokhrasi uNjingalwazi Sibusiso Bhengu kwinkonzo yesikhumbuzo ebanjelwe eShowe KwaZulu-Natal. Botani mzikantu siziphekile sazibonda ngoku lilixa lokuba sizophule singaphosanga amaseko masinirhabulise kwibhekile yasemini nje. Mongameli we-ANC uMnumzana Cyril Ramaphosa uzimase iphulo lokunyusa ingxowa yalo mbutho ngokudlala igalufa eNtshona Koloni ngalentsasa oku njengenxalenye yentshukumo zokutshayelela irali yemibhiyozo yeminyaka e-113 wasekwayo lo mbutho eza kubanjelwa ekhaya elitsha ngoMgqibelo. Intatheli yethu yezopolitiki uSamkele Maseko iza nengxelo iseKapa.
Umongameli we-ANC uCyril Ramaphosa usenxuse abaxhasizimali ukuthi bevule amabhange ukuze bezokwazi ukuxhasa inhlangano yakhe i-African National Congress. uRamaphosa edlala igalufu namhlanje utshengisile ukuthi abantu abamhlophe abahosomabhizinisi nabamnyama sebetshengise intshisekelo ukubuyeni ukuxhasa yona le nhlangano yeqembu lakhe i-ANC.
A resurgence of support in the business community, both black business as well as white business. So we are really overjoyed. We've got anchor supporters, fundraisers who are willing and able to give quite a bit of money to support the work of the ANC.
Amazwe e-G20 azoza eNingizimu Afrika nomongameli babo kulonyaka lapho umongameli Ramaphosa uthi uzosebenzisa igalufu ukuze azoxoxa nabo akhulume izinto ezijulile ezifana nomnotho waseNingizimu Afrika nokuhwebelana.
We will possibly entice them in some free time to see our golf courses. We've got the most beautiful, well cared for golf courses in our country, and interest them in playing golf, because it is when you play golf that everybody's hair is let down and you're able to talk serious matters either of state or of nation building and all that. So many of us will be trying to improve our golf game because we've got a target audience with the G20.
Njengoba i-ANC izobungaza iminyaka e-113 seloke yasungulwa, umongameli wayo uCyril Ramaphosa uzosebenzisa ukuxhumana namanye amazwe nokusimamisa umnotho waseNingizimu Afrika unxusa amalungu e-ANC ukuthi angenelele ukuze ezohweba namanye amazwe. NginguSamkele Maseko wezindaba ze-SABC, ngibika ngiseKapa.
Ukanto kaRamaphosa uthi kuthathe iminyaka e-82 kuze lo mbutho ukwazi ukukhulula abantu belizwe loMzantsi Afrika. Uthe kunjalo abantu abakhululekanga bengekafumani inkululeko kwezoqoqosho. Eliqela litshayelela imibhiyozo yeminyaka e-113 phambi kwengxelo yalo yeJanuary 8 kule mpelaveki kwibala lezemidlalo iMandela Park ekhaya elitsha eKapa.
He has suffered a setback, electoral setback. But there are a number of reasons that we have to consider, you know, in terms of the character of the ANC, how ANC itself has completely worked around what it needs to be achieving, but also the challenges that ANC is confronted with. You will recall that in the 55th conference of the ANC, the big task that we were mandated with is renewal agenda, that the many challenges that ANC has been confronted with must face. And that also speaks about renewal with the people, where hope is restored, where the services are reaching people on time, and even where challenges that ANC is not governing in other municipalities or provinces like the Western Cape, you must still give hope to South Africans. So that electoral setback that we've seen a decline is also setting the tone on how unhappy South Africans are. But at the same time, people did not come out in their numbers to vote. So we've had entirely, all parties have suffered for that. But what you can actually look at it is that people did not come out. And that also speaks about the level of trust into the parties that are competing and that are also representing society. But as ANC, we are comforted with the fact that we have a task to complete, given the mandate by the ANC members to say, go and renew the mandate with the people, go and renew the institution of the ANC.
Izihlobo nezalamane zihloniphewe ngumphathiswa wokuqala phansi kwedemokhrasi uMfiwe Njengalwazi Sibusiso Bhengu kwinkonzo yesikhumbuzo ebanjelwe eShowe KwaZulu-Natal. Unconywe ngokubeka isiseko esiluqilima senkqubo yemfundo yeli kwaye izithethi zithe abemi beli bafanele ukufunda kuye. Intatheli yethu Simphiwe Makhanya izimase esisikhumbuzo.
Ngibonge bese ngibingelele kumbukeli weindaba ngalesi sikhathi. Impela inkonzo yesikhumbuzo kaSolwazi uSibusiso Bhengu yaqhubeka ke la ehholo lomphakathi endaweni ke yaseShowe. Isigaba ke sokuqala ke salenkonzo sivalelekile kwabezindaba, sibandakanya ke umndeni ihlobo kanjalo ke nalabo esingathi ke abamaziyo uSolwazi abaqhamuka ke emkhakheni yahlukahlukene kuhulumeni bakhona ke bathamele ke nayi inkonzo yakhe ke yesikhumbuzo lapha ngemuva kwami. Kepha ukuzwa kabanzi ngokuthi ke uSolwazi uBhengu ube umuntu onjani, asamukele ke ugogo uWex Vilakazi ozosichazela nje ukuthi njengomuntu osondelene kakhulu nomndeni wakwaBhengu umazi njengomuntu onjani uSolwazi. Gogo sibonga kakhulu isikhathi sakho.
Awu ngiyabonga. Ubhuti ngimazi umuntu nje quiet but a gentleman. Hawu ubeziphethe kahle kakhulu engayena umuntu othetha ngikhumbule ngimuze ethetha mina ebe umuntu ophansi kanti yena ule phambili kwifamily kule lineage yababa wakho ube number 2 I think ubhuti omdala sowashona wayesebenza ne program ekuthiwa ukholo lunje emsakazweni yeah. So ke uyena ke obe sebeshonile bonke sigcina vele bese sele naye kuyena oyi head of the family ngasho njalo.
Yabonga kakhulu. Okay, ugogo ke uWex Vilakazi lo esichazela nje kabanzi ngempilo kaSolwazi ke uBhengu ukuthi ke ube umuntu onjani ikakhulukazi emndenini wakhe. Njengoba ke ngishilo ngaphambileni ukuthi saqhubeka inkonzo yesikhumbuzo manje nekuzothi ke kusasa bese kuba ke usuku lokuthi ke ayofihlwa ke endaweni ke yakhe yokugcina nokuzokwenzeka lapha ke eNyuvesi yase Zululand eSongoye. Asibusele ke izintambo kuwena igoli kuleli qophelo.
Isebe lezemfundo eMpuma Koloni lithi lilindele lonyuke ngamakhulu 7 inani labafundi ekusadingeka bamkelwe kumabanga ugrade 1 no8 kulonyaka mfundo ka2025. Logama lingalindelanga mthwalo ungako kwamanye amabanga okuna njengoko kulindeleke zivulwe izikolo ngomhla we-15 kule nyanga.
Isebe lezemfundo kwiphondo leMpuma Koloni lithi lenze zonke izicwangciso zokulungiselela ukuqala konyaka wemfundo kunyaka ka2025 kanti ke ukuva kabanzi ngoku sithetha naye osisithethi sika MEC kwiphondo we-education uVuyiseka Mboqela. Sisibulela kakhulu ngexesha lakho. Xa sixelela into ba ni ready kangakanani na okanye nikulungiselele kangakanani na ukuqala unyaka wokufunda?
Incwadi zideliviwe kunyaka ophelileyo, school transport senziwe i-department mali ye-school nutrition ithunyelwe ezikolweni, izikolo ezininzi apha Eastern Cape especially ezi kwi-high school level seziqalile ufana nesi sikuso ngoku apha eMdantsane. And ndingatsho into yoba ne-placement yabantwana bakwibanga liko grade 1 kwakunye no grade 8 iqhubekile kunyaka ophelileyo 757 ukanti ke nabanye bazawuphinde ba-admithwe kwizikolo ezithile apha eBCM. Inamba esinayo currently khangela isikolo iyile phaa ku-700 kubantwana abaku grade 1 and grade 8.
Kakhona xa sijonga malunga nomba wokupasa kwabantwana benza ibanga leshumi, siyayazi uba iphondo lijonge ufumana phantse u-85%. Ingaba oku niza kufumana kwaye iziphumo enizazifumana ziyancumisa?
Ndingatsho into yoba ithemba likhona, and ndingatsho into yoba ngokokuba kupaswa ngendlela ephucukileyo, that is laa nto kuthiwa zibhatshela kwakunye ne-distinction, Eastern Cape ikumhlaba obanzi. And ndingatsho into yoba la 85% ebebekiwe nguPremier uzom-announcer uMinister nge-13, and i-Eastern Cape ayizuba less than u-81%.
Mandibulela kakhulu sisi ngexesha lakho. Lowo nguVuyiseka Mboxela osisithethi somphathiswa wesebe lezemfundo kwiphondo leMpuma Koloni. Ukanti ke esitsho esithi ngomhla we-13 kule nyanga bazawuqinisekisa into yoba bonke abantwana abafuna izikolo kweli phondo leMpuma Koloni bazawube besezikolweni. Sibuyele kuwe eRhawutini.
Sinamkele kwakhona sihlabele mgama ngamadoda amabini kwamahlanu atyholwa ngokubulala uKeenan aka Forbes nafake isicelo sebail ngokusekelwe kwingxelo ezintsha kwinkundla kamantyi yaseThekwini kusasa nje. Umtyholwa umzi wethemba kwabe Nolindo Kuhle Ndimande baye bakhatyelwa izicelo zabo zebail kuquka nezabanye abatyholwa abathathu. uNonhlakanipho Magwaza ulandela elinqaku.
Lo sebail sabasola ababili kulaba abahlanu abasola ngokubulala owayengumculi kuleli aka Keenan Forbes kanye nomngani wakhe uThibza Thebola eMotswane. Laba basolwa ke ababili kuthiwa uGwabeni kanye noNdimande okuthiwa babe khona noma kunobufakazi ukuthi babe khona nenkathi laba ababili bebulawa, kodwa ke sizwile ke ubufakazi ababuthulile abathi ubufakazi obusha la ngaphambi kwenkantolo abameli babo labasola laba babili. Kodwa ke umbuso uyasiphikisa ke lesicelo sebail. Ake sizwe ngongoti wezomthetho uAbigail Ngobeni ozosichazela kabanzi ukuthi kwenzakaleni kahle kahle nanokuthi mhlambe yena ngokubona kwakhe lo bufakazi lobu obuthule phambi kwenkantolo namhlanje buqine enough yini ukuthi labasola bayithole ibail.
Zokhumbula kahle nombukele ekhaya ukuthi into ebalekile abayivesile namhlanje ebesilindele indaba leyo extradition yaseSwatini, ukubuyiswa kwalaba babili abasesweni laseSwatini. And uzokhumbula ukuthi enye yamaphepha abawafakile namhlanje laba babili abacela isicelo sebail ile judgment Judge Masuku ayideliver last year ngomhla ka-29 November eba granta i-application for leave to appeal eyinye yezinto noma imbangelo yokuthi mhlambe lela cala lokubuyisa kwalaba lithatha isikhathi abakusebenzisile laba babili namhlanje phambi kwenkantolo ukuthi leso sikhathi esothathwa yilabo enkantolo ayisibheke isinaka ukuthi ibe ezinye zezizathu zokubhadetela ngebail. Kodwa ngaphandle kwalokho bavezile indaba yokuthi izingane zabo kakhulukazi unumber 4 esimbizwa ngokuthi umuzi wethemba kwabeni uyena ovesile namhlanje esinye sezizathu ayivesile ukuthi izingane zakhe ziyakweleta esikolweni njengoba ela evaleliwe akakwazi ukukhokha lezo indleko. Futhi eyinye into ayivesile kakhulukazi ukuthi omunye wamakhosikazi wakhe usafarisha into esibiza ngokuthi emotional or rather psychological effect ngokuthi abela eje. But uzokhumbula ukuthi lezo zinto lezo inkantolo kufanele ibheke iqhathanise nalokho umbuso ophendule ngakho namhlanje ukubheka kabanzi ukuthi noma zikhona lezo zinto ziyaqala yini ukuvela or into esibiza ngokuthi is reshuffling of new facts. And besides that inkantolo kufanele ibheke ukuthi uma ibheke iqhathanisa nalokho okudlule ama-interest of justice, does it suffice ukuthi bona bakhishelwe ngaphandle. Lokho sokuzwa kabanzi mase inkantolo edeliver isinqumo salo, kodwa namhlanje lokho sikuzwile akukaqini kahle ukuthi bangadedelwa ngebail.
Siqalile nezifundo kulonyaka isikolo samabanga aphakamileyo selali yaseshithelani eMalamulele Limpopo. Isikolo iShingwedzi siqale izolo nezifundo nakubeni zivulwa ngokusemthethweni kwiveki ezayo izikolo. Ititshala nabafundi sebenzisa le veki ukungena endimeni ngelokulungiselela imviwo zokuphela konyaka.
Abafundi bebanga igrade 12 iShingwedzi High bazimisele ukuqhuba kakuhle kakhulu kulonyaka kwaye sebeqalile nezifundo zabo. Esi sikolo saqala ukuvula kwiveki ngaphambi kokuvula ngokusemthethweni ngo-2023. Abafundi bakholela kwelokuba elicebo liluncedo ekuzuzeni iziphumo ezinhle.
To come to grade 12, so I'm so glad that I came to grade 12, and I'm also glad that we opened early than other schools because I think I'm academically dedicated.
I think we'll have enough time to push and have enough time to revise all the things that we've done throughout the academic year, so that we'll be fully ready to write our last papers.
The fact that we opened little early, I think is a good thing because we'll be behind of all the schools around here, Balamulele, because I think if not 2 or 1, there's no many schools that have reopened early.
Isigqibo sokuvula isikolo kwiveke ngaphambi kokuvula kwazo ngokusemthethweni saphunyezwa iSGB nabazali.
We agreed upon that. Let's reopen on at least 5 days before and see in 2023 if it won't give us the results.
Umphathi wezemfundo eLimpopo uthethe nabo abafundi.
The school has already set up a pace that is at a level of distinctions, as the mayor indicated. The school before you, the brothers, your older brothers and your older sisters, have shown us to say anyone that enters through that gate does not go below 85%.
Esi sikolo sizimisela ukubetha ngapha kwe-85% esafika kuyo ngo-2023.
Ityendyana lomfana waseMthatha eMpuma Koloni lasebenzisa imali ka-NSFAS wayifumana kwiminyaka eyadlulayo waqala ishishini leenkukhu. Ungcali Takata iminyaka engama-28 nowathweswa isidanga se-medical science uthi waqala eli shishini ukuncedisa usapho lwakhe. Uthi siqalo zange sibe lula kodwa ngoku kuyancomeka.
Takata ufuna ukukhulisa ishishini lakhe ukuze akwazi ukudala amathuba omsebenzi. Waqala eli shishini kuba wayefuna ukuncedisa abazali bakhe. Njengokuba waqala ukusebenzela kokwabo, ngoku senayo necontainer asebenzela kuyo edolophini.
Yaqala business because oqala naye NSFAS, yaqala NSFAS business. But there was not enough money for Banangaba because imali yami kaNSFAS ndithumela apha ekhaya ba sebekwazi baba manje besongeza kwimali zokudla because mama wayengasebenzi that time wayeyiseva city naye saseva city sonke. Le business izamile undiqhuba noko iminyaka emininzi uzotsho like ngoku but ke now umehluko semkhulu kakhulu yakhulu ide yanayo ne retail store edolophini. And now that's many le support le fund there's umehluko omninzi kakhulu.
Utakata uthi inkxaso ayifumeneyo kwi-arhente yophuhliso lwamashishini amancinci yenze umohluko omkhulu kakhulu kwishishini lakhe. Uye wafumana ne-incubators.
Ngethemba kulonyaka now that sinalamantshontsho ngokwazi oba si-stock parents alamaqanda siwaproduce because amaqanda besikade siwathenga kwamanye amafama siwathenga siwafaka emtshinini. Now we're going to produce by ourselves. The challenges I have now are space. If you can see, the aim at Boss was to produce more than lamantshontsho wabonayo. Lamantshontsho wabonayo apha la I-50 only there are very few, but we're spending baso walandeleleni. We are supposed to put 300 up lamantshontsho because now sifaka 50 because funa beza inkukhu ezindala. Xa ibaza inkukhu ezindala ayizukwazi ukufaka i-300 up. They would die, they would kill each other because i-space as challenge nayo is space kakhulu.
Kukhona neenkukhu ezivelisa amaqanda kweli shishini, kodwa akakwazi ukuzikhulisa zibe ninzi kuba akanayo indawo yokuzibeka.
Kwelitsala la ezinkukhu ezina zinkukhu zamaqanda. Zizalela kakhulu amaqanda but ukuze zizalele ezinkukhu zifuna zibe nokutya, funeka zityile, funeka zisele, funeka zisezwe amayeza nyanga nenyanga. So la amaqanda kona siyawathatha siwathengise ezikolweni nalapha apha ekuhlaleni nakonokhondeni edolophini. Ebengaphezulu ke koku but sithe xa sibonayo ayasuffocating ezikukhu because ingxaki yethu si-space, asina space. So bazikathatha ezikukhu sihambe siyozilungisela indawo enkulu.
Eli shishini selenze umohluko omkhulu kubasebenzi.
Ukusebenza apha ngiqale last year ndingumfundi waseYunisa, so njengoba sifunda apha eYunisa online learning, so uyofunda online but at the same time zibe khona lo manqeshi apho uyofuna khona imali. So ke ngoku ndiye ndenza apha ndazosebenza apha, so zikhona i-changes here and there because iyancediseka esikolweni, so ukuthenga incwadi iyancediseka nasendlini nasekhaya ndiyakwazi uyithumela imali.
ukanti elishishini lisegazini likaThakatha ukwafuye neehagu. NdinguNomzwanele Mngoma kwiindaba ze-SABC eMthatha.
Siziqongqothile zasemini nje into zakuthi ukanti kule veki izayo ngoLwesibini ihlangabezana uXawam uLisa Dumezweni esiza kwabelana naye iqonga kwezi ndaba zasemini nje. Nimamkele ke into zakuthi ngezandla ezivulekileyo nezingenamkhinkqi. Desidibane kwakhona kamnandi into zakuthi.